Hey guys, Susie here. I'm going to show you how I did my faux stained glass cup. I took a cup that was already base painted black and I started laying down double-sided tape in random lines. I make sure that my lines were not overlapping and that they were just butted up against each other. There's no rhyme or reason to how I did my lines. I just went ahead and put them down as best as I could, just whatever I felt like would look nice. And I did this throughout the entire cup, including the bottom. Once your lines are done, you're going to choose your mica colors that you're going to put down. I use the ones for the monthly challenge that we do with the Magic Moon Micas group. I am using a fluffy bristle brush. It's a shadow brush from Wet n Wild, and right now I'm going to show you how I put Serendipity down. I'm using a tacky glue. It can be any tacky glue. Just you need something that once it starts to dry is going to get really sticky so that your mica powder can attach to it. I had originally chosen a 5th mica color to go over the lines of the double-sided tape. I ended up not liking it because the color I chose was too close to Ophelia and to Apparition. So I decided to take all the double-sided tape off and just go with the black lines. I think it came out nicer like that, because the lines do pop and it does make it look like a stained glass. I am doing a second coat of all the colors. This time I pour them into little medicine cups. It's a lot easier like that, by the way. So if you're going to attempt this, just put them on the medicine cup from the get-go. You will be covered in mica, but you will be pretty. Once I was done with the second coat for every color, I went ahead and poured a little alcohol, rubbing alcohol into a little container, and with a very fine bristle brush, I went ahead and started taking it off. I switched between that and a wet wipe just to kind of clean up around the lines, any mica that could have stayed or anything that I couldn't wipe off. And I just went over the entire tumbler just to clean up my lines and to make it look nice and crisp.